This video is meant to help you to complete this week's assignment. Enter the following commands into the console. Enter this command. Once you have entered this command, click enter. Enter the following command into the console. Once you have entered this command into the console, click enter. Here, type your name. Then click enter. Here, you want to select number 2. You want to start something new. You don't want to continue with the previous lesson. You want to start a new lesson. The lessons that you want to start are module 2 and 3. So let's type number 2 and click enter. Now select number 1, art programming. After you type 1, click enter. Here are your building blocks on your lesson or your modules. We want to work on workspace and files, and then later on for these assignments you want to complete the sequences of numbers. So for now, let's do number 2, workspace and files. So type number 2 and click enter. Now read the instructions, follow the instruction to complete this module and click enter. And now you're ready to begin this assignment. I hope this video helped you. Have a great day.